Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO. CRO is also one of the coins which now shows strong upside momentum. Talked about it only a few weeks ago in an update, and the support region did offer clear support. I think when I made the last video, we had already left the support area to the upside, but now we have seen additional momentum come in. And you can see now that it seems that as if this, at least the C wave in the white count is unfolding. So we have two scenarios. I explained it in more detail in the last update. Basically, there's one bearish one, there is one more bullish one. They both, however, pointed in the same direction. Whenever we have that, it is a good situation because, it gives more confidence in the trend, right? Even though I have to say the long-time chart is a bit of a disaster, but still we go here with the, the multi-hour, the daily trend is up, so we go with that. And this was a setup, so it worked out. Now, a lot of people ask me now, okay, do you have any more setups or support? See, we've had a lot, and there are only going to be so many pullbacks before things are going to moon. Well, not moon, I shouldn't say that, but before things are going to go. And then when they get exhausted, we get the next setups. But at the moment, it's not the time for, at least not for pullback setups. They all happened. Okay, I think most of these are working out now. And now people who entered in these support zones can enjoy the profit and just need to do risk management. Okay, there will be more pullbacks, but obviously pullbacks in the third wave are rare. So I have a few coins on my watch list for the next ones, but obviously cannot confirm any pullback until we break micro support and so on. So, but again, there are hundreds of ways how an analysis like that can be traded. Buying in pullback areas is only one way of doing it. You could also use, you can join the trend, you can join the rallies, you can analyze the smallest time frames. I only have so much capacity to do that, so you can't really, I only have so much capacity for micro counting, but I can offer you the 10-cent support level here. So yeah, entering here isn't great. Setting the stop below 10 cents. Next target is at 19.7. Well, still a decent reward to risk. Nah, not really. So you're not really getting a great reward to risk ratio because that's already the next target. Now it could be it's extending higher if you believe so. Yeah, just know where the support is. A sustained break below 10 cents will mean it's likely going to fail. And we will have to move that support area with the price as it climbs higher. It should really go higher from here. Doesn't mean it's a great spot to enter. Well, again, there are hundreds of ways to trade this. You can use moving averages, all sorts of stuff. But best, and for me, the most intelligent way of trading Elliott waves, suitable for most people, is to use support zones. So at the moment, there aren't many, even the ones that spent weeks now in support zones like Injective, they have gone. I think Casper is still in one, but yeah, that's one that just comes to my mind. But yeah, I mean, there are only going to be so many setups before things go, and then they all go together because that's the nature of the crypto market. But then the next pullbacks are coming, there are always going to be setups, maybe not every single day, but there are plenty of setups more than anybody could trade. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, the next ones are going to come, So here we are now moving, and I don't have a great micro count, but it seems to me that the price is now moving in a third wave of a C wave at least, maybe something more bullish. But if that's the case, then 10 cents is support. Very simple way of having a support level in an impulse is to take the length of the current third wave and using the 50% Fibonacci level, because we know that an impulse typically fails with a break below the 50% retracement. So that's a good, quite reliable signal. And there is no sign of exhaustion yet, so it should still push higher. And the milestone target that I have on the chart here is 19.7 cents. That's because in the white count, we're dealing with an ABC structure. So we'll see how the market reacts to that level. C waves can extend higher. So if there is no notable reaction, we could look at 25 cents or even 29. Above 29 cents, it's going to get less likely that it's the white count, and it might be rather the yellow one, because the yellow wave 3 should ideally reach, first ideal target for a third wave is the 29 cent level. Okay, so that's why it's positioned here. Then we could get a pullback maybe back to 20 cents, and then a wave 5 can send us to 37, maybe even 44 cents. That's sort of the roadmap here at the moment, and that should play out either in the white count or the yellow count as long as the 10-cent level is holding. So you have very clear parameters here to watch. The first resistance, Fibonacci resistance, is sort of here around 14.4 cents. And then obviously we have the levels that I mentioned above. That's my update about CRO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.